Well, hello. I'm Wendy Rose Williams, and I'm a past life energy healer. And I have the privilege of helping people release the energy that no longer serves them. Often, this energy shows up as chronic pain, both physical and emotional, anxiety, depression, or just feeling stuck in life, like you cannot get out of second gear. And what a difference it makes when we're able to release that energy that isn't serving us anymore. We can feel so much healthier, so much happier, and that our life has a beautiful purpose. And on that note, please join me for a wonderful workshop. It's going to be a group Zoom workshop this Sunday, February 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, from 10 to 11:30 a.m. Pacific time. So plenty of time to join me for that and still catch the Super Bowl. So join me. This is one of the most heartfelt questions. It's one of the big questions of life. What is my purpose? Why am I here? And I would love to help you get more information on that topic from your own higher self and from your guide. So please join me, and I will include the registration link. So look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Bye for now.